Right, so we're getting started. Good morning to everybody on the call. Today is Saturday. Welcome to Crypto Thinkers Fibonacci YouTube channel. If you are watching us from the YouTube channel, you are welcome. You are new to the channel, you are welcome. Do subscribe and put on your notification button, okay? So welcome to Crypto Thinkers team, Ghana and beyond. I'm Mimi and I'm Tinker and I'm from the Royal Q team, Crypto Thinkers. Today, Saturday, we're going to have our Royal Q Elite Technical session. Okay, it's a combo of a lot of things. So we are going to dive into it. Right. So we have parameter settings. We have technical sections where we talk about the Royal Q app itself. So Royal Q has been in existence since 2021 on the Google Play Store, but it has been used for years, way back 2017, by hedge funds, big institutions that trades with it. And in 2021, specifically March 19th, 2021, Royal Q was launched on the Google Play Store and the App Store. So that was when we all got access to it, 2021. And we've been in Royal Q through the ups and downs. We're still here. It has been an amazing and an experiencing journey. Royal Q is a crypto trading app. Yes, it specifically trades on crypto. Probably when time goes on, I see some of the exchanges like Bybit and other exchanges are bringing in stock market. So probably Royal Q might add a stock market, and trading with such a powerful artificial intelligence will make it much more easy to trade them. But anyways, it trades the crypto market. It trades specifically on the spot market and the futures market. How do you get started? You need to get connected to somebody who is already a VIP member in the Royal Q community. The person will give you his or her invitation link or invitation code, and the person will guide you on how to register on Royal Q. It comes with a subscription. Registration is free though, but if you want to use the app, you need 120 USDT to subscribe to it for a whole 1 year. It's just like renting a shop to use for a whole 1 year. Now, after renting the shop, you need to get your business going. So you can either invite friends to the business, and the Royal Q would give you reward bonus from $30 all the way to $70 if you refer one person, depending on the rank you are in. Royal Q has 6 ranks. So depending on your business mindset or agenda in coming to join the business, you go with it. It also trades the futures market. Yes, it also trades the futures market, which is a two-way market. So the spot market is a one-way market. It offers you the opportunity to trade when the asset is going down in price. Okay, when the asset is going down in price, it uses its powerful features that we've been talking about on our various presentation we've been doing. So it has the spot market and the futures market. The futures market is a two-way market. It trades when the asset is going down, and also you can trade when the asset is going up. So when the asset is pumping, you can sell. When the asset is down, you can buy. So you can even buy and sell at the same time using a feature called the hedge mode. So whether we are trading the futures market also, you understand that. But if you're a newbie watching us from the YouTube channel, you need to start from the spot, get yourself acquainted and familiarize yourself with the platform. Then you get educated on how to trade on the futures market also. Then you can dive in there. Everything you start one step at a time. Okay, so Royal Q, a lot of people are using it. Royal Q has over 2 million plus users worldwide. Worldwide, you can use Royal Q anywhere in the world, worldwide. And all this while we've been able to make 184 million USDT profit. This is profit from only trading, we the members trading. So it's a cumulative, it's more than this, but this is the one they have projected for now. So you come in with what you have. You can start with as low as $36 because we have a $36 Tinker strategy settings for people who don't have enough capital, but with time they are going to build it and grow it to become bigger and trade with our bigger strategy settings. Okay, now before I go on, when you join Crypto Thinkers team, anybody who has been following us diligently for the past 4 years, Crypto Thinkers team, when you join Royal Q, you have 10 days. Assuming you have $200, you have 10 days. You're supposed to watch all our orientation videos that has been made available on the various pages and even on our YouTube channel. You have to watch the basic orientation video. You have to watch the videos on how understanding your running trades. So you have $200 capital. You take about $50 out of it, and then you push the rest to your funding wallet. This is what we do here. So you follow our rules so that you have a smooth trading experience with the Royal Q app. So $50, or you have $100 capital, you just take $36 out of that $100 capital and shift the rest, transfer the rest from your spot wallet to your funding wallet, and then you use the $36 to set up our 36 Tinker Biddle strategy settings on one shot using the various method of the indicators, the RSI, the automated MACD RSI. You can automate it, which we have taught. So we'll set it up for you, and then we'll give you some selected coins as a newbie to be able to be trading on signals on it. And we'll also show you how to also pick and set up coins so that it can be picking it whilst it sells off. It will pick the coin when the condition is met. Do you get me? Am I still audible? So we move on.
Coach, you're audible.
Beautiful. Okay. So we've talked about just hold on, this person is right. So that's some of the rules about Crypto Thinkers. You join, you don't trade with all your capital. Some newbies make so much mistake. They have $1,000. The first day they join the business, they are in a haste. They don't want to know anything about the basic things. How can you come into a business and you don't want to make time to learn at least the basic things about the business? At least, so the first 10 days, as your $36 trade is running, you will be watching the videos that we have titled Understanding Your Running Trades. Strategy Details Dashboard. We have videos on it explaining the strategy detail dashboard, what one shot is, what cycle is, what take profit trigger price is, what market price is, what average price. Everything is available here. So you don't have any excuse that you don't have presentation videos. First newbie presentation videos you don't have. You've not watched it. If you've not watched it, do yourself a very big favor. Watch them. It's going to give you great fortune. It is good to learn the business first, get yourself familiarized with it, and then you will now navigate on how to earn. This is how we do it in the Crypto Thinkers team. So you follow our rules, you have a successful trading experience. Don't dump all your trading capital because you have a big account. You dump all your trading capital on one asset. We always tell you a minimum of 3 assets, maximum 20. That's if you have a very big capital. And we have, settings for that. Aside the Excel sheet, we also have other settings also, depending on the personality and the account capacity. So follow our rules, okay? $36, first 10 days, watch all the 15 or 18 video tutorials. We'll give you, watch them, and then you give us an audio summary of everything you have learned from video 1 to video 20. Yes. So we know that when you join us for other classes, we know you have already abreast yourself in it. And where you do not understand, you let us know, and then we would explain further for you. So do well to follow our rules, and you would enjoy trading. So after activating your Royal Queue, what are some of the benefits? As I said, you benefit from trading the sports market, the futures market. It also gives you the privilege to also trade with the grid bot, where it has a price range that you set the market to be in that range and trade it. It also gives you benefit of being a mentor whereby you have learned the app very well. You have learned the crypto market also well. You have confidence to teach others, guide them. You need to be a V2, and you need to have made more than 1,000 USDT profit before you can qualify to be a mentor. And then you also get the benefits of being a cycle lord, where you have strategy settings like how I have my Excel sheet. I've, made it available for those who are on the lecture hall. You get access to it per the capital you have, and you go by the rules. Okay, beautiful. And another benefit you get from the Royal Queue is benefiting from the transaction fees that Royal Queue collect. So anytime you want to trade, you come into the rack, you want to trade, you deposit a minimum of $10 to $20 fuel fee, or if you have a capital of $1,000, you deposit 20% of the $1,000 as fuel fee into your Royal Key. It's called the strategy fuel. It's in the Royal Key, which we have done a detailed explanation of that. So here, if you don't learn, you are not my friend. Yes, everybody knows that Mimi Tinka, if you don't learn the video she has done, you don't come for classes, you don't practice, you are not my friend. I will not mind you until you become serious with your business, and I'll be serious with you. That is how I do it here. Okay, I work with people who are willing to learn, people who are having the business mindset, and people who want to make wealth and touch many lives. Right, good. Another benefit of subscribing to your Royal Queue is what do you call it? You have you benefit from your team trading. There's a particular benefit you get when you invite people, business-minded people, to join the Royal Queue business and they are trading. You also benefit from the transaction fees that Royal Queue collects from every successful trade profit made by every single user. So imagine you have 2 million plus users, you have about 1,000 activated active Royal Queue traders. They are trading every day. They are making money. Royal Queue gives you a percentage of the trading fee according to your rank. All right, beautiful. Then let's look at the next benefit of the Royal Queue. You have something called the activation bonus, where when you bring somebody, you get activation bonus depending on your rank. So if you're a V1, you get $30. If you're a V2, you get $40. V3, you get $50. V4, you get $60. V5, you get $65. And V6, which is the last rank in Royal Queue, you get $70 per anybody that uses your link. And anybody in your team that also activates someone per your rank, Royal Queue is also going to give you bonus for that. I think it's a wonderful business. Now, let me tell you some of the restrictions that I've told you the benefits and some of the restrictions that Royal Q can also put on users. One is users that have their account not renewed. Maybe you are in the system and then your account gets expired. The moment it gets expired from that very day, you will be restricted from adjusting your Royal Q trades. Yes. So your account has expired. You cannot adjust any trade. These are some of the restrictions. Even for the next first 30 days, Royal Q will be trading the with the coins that you already have, with the fuel that you have inside your Royal Q app. Royal Q will be using it to trade during the 30 days grace period expiration. So during these 30 days, Royal Q will restrict you from even going to trade setting to go and adjust your trades. When your account is expired, you will be what? Restricted. And you can't start a new strategy also. Your running trades, you cannot adjust them. You can't also go and pick a new coin to trade. Royal Q will restrict you. And you'll also be restricted from missing, from getting your bonus. If you have team or you have people trading under you and your account is expired, Royal Q will restrict the bonuses of fuel and activation gains from coming to you. Royal Q will restrict it from coming to you. Would you love to go through such a thing? You wouldn't love to go through that. I want to see if I'm recording. Okay. You wouldn't love to, you wouldn't want to go through that. You've activated your Royal Q boot and it gets expired. You have teams under you and you get all these restrictions. I have some, I saw one person did not renew his boot after using it. And the person, just like, I think few months, the person went into the Royal Q to now go and renew it. And the person missed out on profit over $1,500. Some of them from activations from his team members, some of them her trade profit from her team members, all of them. The person just missed that whole 1,500 USDT just because the person did not renew his or her Royal Q. So I just want to encourage you, if you are here and you want to do the business, do it full time. Don't come 1 year and then you don't want to learn the business. Once you don't learn the business, you would complain over things that have solutions, over things that have been taught how to navigate and trade to make money. So everything you need here is over here. Okay, beautiful. Now let's move on. So Royal Q also gives you features like the AI margin call. It helps you to guard funds. So when you see there is a heavy market, manipulation, as we call it, heavy market manipulation, you can own your AI margin. Or if you're going to sleep, you can also own your AI margin button. In a way, it safeguards your funds from quickly being bought. That's the margin calls quickly being bought when the AI margin call is on. Royal Q will wait, monitor the market, and then pick the trade at, if you are buying on the spot market or you are longing on the futures market, it will help to what? In a form of like give a hedge or a cushion or a stop cock in a way that if the market wants to pick your original drop settings, it would rather pick it through the AI margin support or resistance, depending on the market side you are trading. So the AI margin call button is a very powerful feature. As I said, don't let the market crash wipe out all your funds. It simply means that probably you have $100, you have opened the settings probably up to 20 or 14 margin calls. Then you own your AI margin call. It will not buy the coins very fast. It will take a time and buy it. So when there's a heavy market, downtrend, or there's a heavy market pump, it will not quickly buy the, the margins. It will take a time and buy it according to its AI feature embedded in it. Wonderful. Royal Q is also available on, hold on, somebody. Oh, okay. Oh, oh, Dr. Newman, you're here. Wow, powerful to see you. It's a long time. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you for posting the link to our Crypto Thinkers VIP. Wonderful to see you here. Wow, wow, wow. You are welcome, Dr. Newman. Wow, wow. Dr. Newman is in our Ghana team. Powerful leader, very powerful leader in the Ghana team also. See, we have great leaders here. And if you follow us, you're going to make fortune in this business. Beautiful, beautiful. So let's move on. Wow, wow. Yeah, so Royal Q trades with 9 crypto exchanges. That is Binance, which is the top crypto exchange in the whole wide world. Yes. And then we have HTX. HTX used to be Hobby Global. It has been in existence, I'm sure, close to more than 8 years. And then we have Kraken. Kraken has been here for since I think 12 years plus now. Yes, Kraken is a US-based exchange. So those in the US, you are not left out. You can trade with Kraken. Okay. You can also trade with Gate.io. You can trade in MEXC. You can trade with Royal Q has lots of crypto exchange, KuCoin, yes, and OKEX exchange. So if you have money in all these exchanges, hear this. Just one Royal Q app that you have subscribed to, you can connect it to all those 8 exchanges that you have on Royal Q. Isn't that amazing? Just $120 can make you connect one Royal Q app to all the 8 or 9 exchanges, as long as you have money there and you want to trade with it. You get me? And it's powerful. You don't need to have 9 different Royal Q accounts to connect to 9 exchanges. Royal Q has made it much more affordable. It doesn't want to stress you too much. Going to activate 9 Royal Q accounts and bind it to all these exchanges. Just one Royal Q app. You can bind it to all your exchanges. You can you can bind for your daughter, your son, your mother, your father, your brother, your sister, your friends, your enemies. They need Royal Q. I tell you, they need Royal Q. So Royal Q works with all these exchanges through a powerful feature called the API, Application Programming Interface. It helps to connect the two apps to the exchanges through a secured mode. So when you watch how to simply bind the Royal Q exchanges in our YouTube channel, how to bind your Royal Q exchange to Royal Q app to your exchange. So we have MEXC, how to bind your MEXC is in our YouTube channel. How to bind your Gate.io to your Royal Q is there. How to bind your Binance is there. See, everything is available on our YouTube channel. If you make time, create time to learn. You pay attention to the business you have paid for. So you subscribe to the Royal Q. You didn't subscribe for free, you paid for it. So I encourage you to what? Pay attention to your business. Okay, profits will come later. Learn first, and then you can navigate how to earn. Right. So as I told you, it has Greedbot also, and Royal Q has Telegram notification. So if you are here, you've not watched our video on how to bind your Telegram to your Royal Q, I encourage you to do so. Just watch our videos on how to bind your Telegram to your Royal Q, and you will get notification, system notification, buy and sell, when your account is expired, when your fuel is getting finished, when a withdrawal is made, a deposit is made. Wow. Royal Q is connected to Telegram, and Telegram is a very powerful app. So many things are coming on board, and you would want to be on Telegram. I tell you, Telegram is my favorite. I've been using Telegram for close to 8 years, so I love Telegram. I got all my business partners right on Telegram. Telegram. 99.9% of the people that I connected to the Royal Queue, I met them all on Telegram pages, Yes. So it's available. You can connect it and you get good service. And those that do not have a Twitter account, I encourage you to have Twitter account, open a Twitter account and log in, and then look for Royal Quantify. Okay, look for Royal Quantify. That is the official Royal Q Twitter page. If you don't want to get confused, you can go to the Royal Q app. On our orientation video, we showed you where to get all the Royal Q social media handles. You just tap on them. It will lead you to the YouTube channel of Royal Q. It will lead you to the official Facebook channel, and then Twitter. I love using Twitter, so I encourage you to use Twitter. You join their Twitter page and get some content there. Okay, encourage your team also to join the Royal Q Twitter page. See, we are 2 million, but we just have only 5,800 followers here. It's not really encouraging. So if you are watching me on the YouTube channel, do well to like and follow Royal Q on all its social media, just to encourage them. They are doing a wonderful and a powerful job for the whole world. You get me? Yes. So do well to join the Royal Q. And for those who have been following, I want you to go to your Tap Trader. If you've not downloaded your Tap Trader, you're a newbie, head over to your Play Store and download your Tap Trader. That's what Crypto Thinkers, anybody who has been following me knows Crypto Thinkers, we don't use TradingView. We use Tap Trader. Okay, it's quite simple to use for me, from my experience. For any newbie, when I'm teaching a newbie on it, for me, I'm comfortable using Trade. You can use TradingView, but I love to use Tap Trader, and most of my team members also use that. But others also use TradingView. If you know how to use it, why not? You are free to use it. So, if you're on the call and you've been following the teachings, download your Tap Trader app. I know you have downloaded it. I want you, for practical revision purposes, I want you to open your Tap Trader app and then change the candlestick chart from the standard candlestick chart to the Heikin Ashi candlestick chart. So do it right away and send me screenshots on the Crypto Thinkers VIP page. So let's go. I have taught Tap Trader. So those who have not been following, that's the reason why we do a lot of examination, and people like running away from exams. When you do the exam, we give awards. We give you USDTs. You see, a lot of people won a lot of USDTs because they've been following. I give them assignment, they do it. Okay. Madam Esther, am I still on call? Am I still on
Yes,
call?
you are audible, coach. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
You can see my screen. I've been sharing my screen.
Yes, you can see your screen, ma.
Okay. Are you bringing the Tap Trader? I'm waiting. I've not seen anybody drop it. If I don't see it, I will not
I'm
continue the
using
meeting.
my phone.
Yes, it's
I'm
on the
using my
phone.
phone. My Tap Trader is on my tab. My Tap Trader is on my tab.
Okay, it's on your tablet. Yes. So
Yes,
give me the,
yes.
yes. So I want those who have been following us. I've already done a detailed explanation of the Tap Trader, how to add your top 20 coins. If you have, I told you, just focus on few coins, very powerful utility coins. We've given it to you. Focus on those coins. Put them as your watch list on your Tap Trader app. We have a video in our YouTube channel, how to add your top 20 coins to your Tap Trader. I have taught us how to do that, and also I've walked you through the Tap Trader interface. Okay, I just need one more person. One person, go to your Tap Trader. Let me see those who are in the meeting. Somebody wants to. Okay. Oh, okay, Jerry is gone. Okay, so Madam Esther, you can drop it. Have you got it now?
I
Let's
will
go.
soon get it. I will, but I'm not on your VIP page.
Oh, you are there. Crypto Thinkers. Crypto Thinkers, our general
Oh,
page.
okay, crypto
It's a
thinkers.
VIP
Oh,
page. Yes.
the general page,
Yes.
VIP page.
Yes.
Oh,
So drop it. If you get it wrong, it's fine. You tried. I'll just show you. So quickly drop it and let's see. So Tap Trader app. You log into your Tap Trader app and then change the candlestick chart from the standard candlestick chart to the Hiakin Ashi candlestick chart pattern. Yes, we've been using it to trade. We're going to teach you more on how to use it. So I'm just going to give you a brief. I'm waiting. So let me continue. But I need the screenshots. Right. We good? Okay, so we move on. So this is how it looks like. Here I can actually chart. So this is Tap Trader. I just did a demonstration of it so that you see it on our YouTube channel. So you watch that video. It's going to help you a lot. Very, very important to watch presentation videos. Then you come up with questions. We are going to have question and answer section only on that day. So make sure you come around after learning. Learn before you come and ask questions. Because when you ask me a question and I know we've done that, you go and do an exam. Yeah, so this is the Hiakin Ashi candlestick chart. So I want those on the meeting, you try your best and get to it. Give me a screenshot, drop it on our lecture. Also, let me just briefly talk about the Hiakin Ashi, a history of the Hiakin Ashi candlestick technique. The Hiakin Ashi candlestick technique originated in Japan with its roots in traditional candlestick charting used by rice traders in the 1970s, 1700s. So, a minute, let me drink some water. The term here can actually translate average bar in Japanese, reflecting its method of averaging price data. While traditional candlestick, which we'll look at very soon, we've already talked about it, but I'm just revising through. The traditional candlestick were popularized by Munihisa Homa in the 18th century. Hyakin Ashi was developed later to enhance trend analysis. It gained prominence in the modern era, particularly among technical traders, after being integrated into traditional platforms in the late 20th century. The technique modifies standard candlestick calculations using formulas that incorporate the open, the high, the low, and the close prices to smooth out volatility and highlight trends more clearly. It became widely adopted in global markets, especially in the forex markets, the stock markets, and the crypto trading for its ability to what? Filter noise. Hey, noise. Like a 1 minute candlestick. Hey, plenty noise is there, I tell you. So ability to filter noise and simplify decision making. So here can actually candlestick chart pattern is also very powerful to use. We're going to use it a lot. We're going to send signals on it and we'll show you how to enter using the Hyakin actually. So do well to be following us. We'll drop the next meeting on the lecture hall notification channel. You see it there, the time will drop it 7 days before time. So anybody who has been following us for the past 4 years knows that Crypto Thinkers That is how we do our meetings. We give you 7 days notice on the various page, and then we drop it on the lecture hall channel. Sometimes the Telegram channel, the Telegram app might have internet glitches in some of the meetings, so we might halt the meeting and then we go to either the Zoom or we use the Google Meeting app. So depending on um, where the internet is stable, we go for that. Awesome. So I believe you've gotten the history. You've gotten the history. Have you gotten the history? I'm going to drop the slide on the lecture hall so you can continuously have access to it when you come online. Okay, Madam Esther, please, have you gotten the history?
Opened
Okay.
my tab. I just opened my tab now.
Okay, you just opened your tab now.
Yes.
Okay, so let's
Should I just
continue.
should I snap and send it to the group?
Yes, please do. My class is a practical class, so when I teach, awesome. Okay.
Yes, just did. I opened one of
Oh,
the
well done. Well done. Clap for yourself. I'm clapping for you.
thank you. Thank
Well
you,
done.
coach.
Yes, you have been a consistent member and I appreciate your presence. Yes, you know
Thank
me,
you, coach.
once I get one or two people who are ready to learn, I just come online with them and I learn. You create time, you always create time to come, and I appreciate you for that.
Thank
Yes,
you,
your
coach.
reward is great. Thank you.
Thank
Yeah,
you,
so I
coach.
believe you've also captured the history of the Hiakin Ashid. I'm going to drop it on the lecture hall so that you can have it. So let's move further to the Hiakin Ashid. Here is a table summarizing the top 10 benefits of using Hiakin Ashid candlestick chart. Okay, so I believe you can still see my screen. I need visualization.
Yes, you can see
All right.
it.
Okay, so let's go. So these are the benefits of using the Heikin Ashi candlestick, why we use it, and then the description. So just to quickly run through, first benefit is smoother trends. And the description is the Heikin Ashi reduces noise by averaging price data, making trends easier to identify and follow. Number two, trend clarity. The benefit of using the Heikin Ashi candlestick chart, it gives you trend clarity. So as you can see, the trend is very clear with the screenshot that you just dropped there. It's strong bullish or bearish trends are visually clearer due to the consistent candlestick colors. You get it. Beautiful. Now let's go to the third benefit. The third benefit is it filters volatility. That's the description is it smooths out short-term price fluctuations, helping traders focus on the overall trend. And the fourth benefit is better entry. Yes, this is what we want. Better entry exit point. Wow, powerful. And what is a description there? Highlight potential reversal and continuation signals, aiding in precise trade timing. Powerful. Number five, it reduces false signals, and that's it minimizes erratic price movement, reducing the likelihood of misleading signals. Okay, the SID benefit is simplified analysis. Simplified candle patterns make it easier for beginners to understand market direction. And the seventh one, trend continuation. Strong candles with no shadow indicate sustained trends, helping traders stay in trade longer. You know, me, I'm a long-term cycle trader. I'm also a short-term cycle trader, a long-term one-shot trader, and a short-term one-shot trader. But for me, I'm a cycle trader. You get me? But you look at your trade preference. So cycle traders have taught you how to if you, let's say you want to trade BNB for the long term, I've taught you how to draw on your top trader from the high, the all-time high of BNB all the way to its inception time. It's the price that it was issued. So you just draw it with your price range, and then I've taught you how to do the division and spread it across your margin, do dollar cost averaging on it, and every day is profit day for you. See, Royal Q is powerful. It has everything you've got. Every trader needs to use Royal Q. So if you're watching me from the YouTube channel, maybe you're a Forex trader. You've heard about Royal Q now. It's very powerful. It lowers down your average price. And then if the market is even going opposite the direction you have entered, you will still be making money on powerful features like the Sabine Mood real-time settlement, the Sabine, which is very powerful for compounding. That Sabine Mood feature helps also to lower down the price faster and get you out of the coin faster. You don't float for a long time. You get me? Yes. So Royal Q has all these features, and it has been detailed, explained right here on our YouTube channel. Just head to the topic where we have the 3 strong strategy mood of Royal Q. We've explained all the 3 strategy moods so you can know which one to use per your capital and your trading preference. You use it and make money for yourself, your friends, and touch the world. Let's heal the world and make it a better place. Good. So I think we are on which call benefits. That would be the 8th. We've talked about the 7th. Oh no, we are on the 7th. Trend continuation. So the description is strong candles with no shadows indicates sustained trend, helping traders stay in trades longer. And then the 8th one is reversal detection. Mm, who doesn't like that? When the market is about to reverse, my goodness. The Heikin Ashi candlestick can help you to detect when there's a possible trend reversion. Are you getting me? So small candles with upper and lower shadows often signal potential trend reversal. So I just want you to all read this note. I'm going to put them on the lecture hall. Okay, here is Royal Q University. So make up your mind that you are in 4 years university with Royal Q. You're going to learn. Okay, Crypto Thinkers team, you come here, you learn. If you're not a learning type, don't come here. Don't come and stress anybody here. Okay, you're not ready to learn, you can go. We want people who are willing to learn, and we're going to pour our best into them so that they become professional traders. Okay, profitable traders. Okay, now let's go to the 8th. That we have about 15 minutes to close. That's the reversal detection we've done. And then on the 9th, we have complement indicator. Works well with other technical indicators, yes, like the moving averages for confirmation also. And then the last one is the versatility, applicable across various markets. Stocks, you can apply it on the stock. If you are trading stock, forex, crypto, we are into crypto, and time frames for consistent analysis. So the benefits make hiking actually a valuable tool for traders seeking simplify. Me, I want things to be simple. Some things should be simple because we've gone through a lot of difficult, moments, experience in the past, with all these charts and stuff. You get a lot of headache, especially if you are not into candlestick numbers and all the stuff. So we want to make sure that we are getting you closer to simplicity so that you can have wonderful trading experience. So this meeting is for those that want to learn the business further. This elite Royal Q class is not for people who just come to the Royal Q, they put their $100 in their Binance, please give me settings. They just put the $100 on the settings for me. I don't want to know anything about the running trades. I don't want to know anything about what is one short cycle, nothing. Just put me on a strategy setting and that's it. I make money, I go. We have people like that. They don't want to learn anything about. So if you are that type, this meeting is not yours. Yes. So unless you change your mind, if you change your mind to help you, at least learn the business, add it to your knowledge. And knowledge acquired is forever yours. You can make fortune out of it. So try your best and change your mind and come and learn some basic things about the royal queue to equip you, and you have great fortune. Okay. Beautiful. So these benefits make Yakin actually a valuable tool for traders seeking to simplify trend analysis and improve decision making. Wow, wow, wow. I'll be wrapping up soon. So thank you for watching our videos. We are really grateful. Thank you, everybody that has been subscribing to our channel, leaving comments, positive comments in our YouTube channel, and liking our videos and sharing it. You are going to be rewarded. We are, you know, packing all the top 5 people. They are going to be giving Tinker bonus USDT as we always do. And those that met our YouTube videos on YouTube, you don't have Royal Q, look inside the description of the video or the comment section. We've dropped the link there to register. When you register, Crypto Thinkers, you activate your Royal Q, immediately you will be given $36 capital. So you can trade with our $36 Tinker Biddle settings on one shot on the specific coins we are going to give you. That's a way of welcoming you to the Crypto Thinkers team. So a lot of people have been enjoying that, and it has helped them to grow their $36 capital to $50. Those that are consistent, they've grown it to 70 to 80 to 100. And when they love the business, they bring more capital. That's how we do it. So you start small with what you have. If you have big, learn for the first 10 days. If you're a slow learner, 10 days, 30 days. I give you 30 days. You learn every basic orientation video we have done on the YouTube channel. And then when we add you to our various pages also, we'll give you the videos for you to watch. If you don't understand something, you let us know after watching the videos. You summarize what you have learned, and then we'll get to know where you are not very conversant with, and we'll help you further on so you become a better Royal Q trader. Okay. Yes, so now just to brush through, as I was talking about the candlestick, these are the components of a candlestick. So the candlestick, before I chip in that, some people, was it somebody? Yeah, one time someone came into my DM, and it's from another community, and said, I've put my trade on 15-minute time frame. So 15-minute time frame, it has been more than 15 minutes. The trade should sell off because it says it's 15 minutes. The trade has to sell off. He took 5 minutes candlestick chart and then entered on the 5-minute time candlestick chart. And he said, for the past 10 minutes, the thing, they said 5 minutes, it should sell off and then it will be off from the dashboard. It's over 15 minutes, and this 5-minute candlestick chart has not still sold my trade. Oh no, that is not how it works in trading. Okay, when you see a 15-minute candlestick, it doesn't necessarily mean that exactly 15 minutes that trade that you've opened should close in 15 minutes. In some cases, it will even close before the 15 minutes will be up. Sometimes you enter at a very good strong support zone. Those who have not learned support and resistance, go to the lecture hall. If you want to help yourself, go all the way to maybe next year, last year, January 2024. Just go to the calendar, tap on 2024 January, and start learning. We've talked about candlestick. We talk about crypto market capitalization. We've talked about blockchain technology. We've talked about what cryptocurrency is, RSI, Bollinger Band, MACD. Everything is on the lecture hall channel. People are not learning. It's very bad. So make time and learn. Make time and learn. All information are available here, both on our lecture hall channel and the YouTube channel, video format. So you have no excuse. You have no excuse. You have it all. Make good use of it and make your life better. you make money for yourself and the people around you, and you touch lives with it when you have overflow. Okay, so let's go to the candlestick that I was talking about. So 15-minute candlestick that you enter on the chart on the 15-minute time, it can deliver before the 15-minute time is over. It can also deliver after the 15-minute time candle closes. So it doesn't necessarily mean that when you pick a 5-minute candlestick chart and you enter a trade, within 5 minutes the trade must close. There are instances that the trade will close within the 5 minutes or 1 minute. So when your trade is more than 5 minutes, don't panic. Just wait for the asset to get to the take profit trigger price and it would sell off. If you have margin calls, it will lower down the average price, and in no time the trade will be out of the page, and then you can go pick another trade when there is good opportunity in the market. So these are the candlestick components. You look at your left side, you see a blue candlestick and then a black candlestick. Some people also use the red color depending on your preference, So we have the blue candlestick, which is called the bullish candlestick. Then this one can be red or black. It's called the bearish candlestick. So the body of the candlestick is where we have the color painted blue. You get me? Then the tip here is called the high of the bullish candlestick. And then just where the tip comes from, that particular place where the arrow is called the close, that's the closing price of the candlestick. Then we have the bottom part, we have the open price, when the price at which the candlestick open. It will show that price, and then how low the candlestick went, it would show the price when you tap on it with the cross share. I showed you all that. Okay, beautiful. And that whole thing, that stick over here is called the upper wick. Okay, the whole, that stick like a candlestick, you have a thread, that thing is called the upper wick or shadow, but I call it wick, W-I-C-K. Okay, and then when you come to the bottom part of the candle, is called the lower wick. So the components of the candlestick, we have the high, the close, the body of the candle, the open, and then the low of the candlestick. So capture that. Then we come to some candlestick pattern just for revision purposes. We have some candlestick patterns called the 3 white soldiers, and then we have the 3 black crows. Now the 3 white soldiers normally happens when there's going to be a, oh, where did I go to? Okay, we are here now. Yes. So the three white soldiers, as you can see, 3 white soldiers. They are green though, but they call it the 3 white soldiers. This shows that there's going to be a bullish, trend. The bullish momentum is going to happen. So it normally happens around the strong support zones. Strong support zones. These candles are very powerful, indicating a bullish trend is imminent, and you can take entries. And then we have the black crows. This happens mostly on a resistance level on the chart. Okay, so you see this is the 3 white soldiers. Okay, so you can see the trend went down and then it's reversing. You see the 3 white soldiers right here, and then just at the close of the third candle, you see the entry was placed over there, and then when market came there, it touched it first, you see, and then the second one, it also touched it, and then just a candle or two, you are out of the market, and then you look for another opportunity. Don't stress yourself. So the tweezer, we have one to call the tweezer. We have the tweezer top and the tweezer bottom. They are also good candlestick patterns when they are located on the resistance zones and the support zone of the trend. Okay, so they are very powerful on higher time frame. When you see it on the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, the 4 hour time frame, is very powerful to spot them. When you spot them, you have a high chance of having a good trade entry. So the tweezer top is a candlestick pattern formed by two candles. It is a trend reversal candle where both candlesticks are of opposite colors. Additionally, it forms in a resistance or a selling zone, as I said. So just picture what I just said and then read the description there, memorize it, and then you practically go onto your 4 hour chart. We're going to still do that in the coming weeks. Those who have been following us, you would get used to the class. So this is a slide showing the tweezer bottom and the tweezer top. So it says the tweezer bottom, you can see it's having equal lows. They're all having the equal low and then equal highs, but different candlesticks. So when it's downtrend, the bearish candle comes first before the bullish candle. When it's up at the top, the bullish candle is at your left, and then the bearish candle is at your right. Okay. So it's Crypto Thinkers team, and we're still here teaching the masses, teaching people, whether you are in our team or not. We have a lot of people on our lecture hall and our VIP. Some of them are from our team, others too are from various teams in the Royal Q space, and they watch our videos and they go and practice it, add it to their own, and then they help their team also to benefit. So together we heal the world and we make the world a better place. Before we close today's meeting, we have 5 minutes. I'm going to drop this one. This is what we're going to touch on. We've already discussed it in the other groups. So I'll put this one on the lecture hall. You go through it. This is your assignment. I want you to learn the chart below, the terms, the abbreviation, and the description. We have the break of structure. We're going to show you how to identify BOS, FG, and all that, price action, fair value gap. So take this time, read the lesson notes, okay? So it's here. I'll drop it on the lecture hall for you to go there and watch and go through them. We also have the order block, the description of it, and then the abbreviation. So when it gets to massive bull run trading, I'm going to put these abbreviations there. So if you do not learn my class presentations, you will be far behind. Okay, this elite Royal Q technical section. So we are going higher and higher, and if you've not learned the basic, everything will be plenty. So do yourself a favor, grab the A before you go to the B, before you go to the C, before you go to the D. That is how we do it. Okay, that's how we learn. Don't just rush. You want to go quickly to the top. Don't do that. Even when you are a little child, when you were a baby, you crawl. You get me? You crawl before you start, walking. You don't just get up and start walking. You fall down. You have to crawl first, and then you hold some few things. You hold some few things. You walk bit by bit, and then you start running. Okay, so one step at a time, and you are sure to win. So do well to make time, create time, and learn the descriptions of this trading terminologies. Is going to help you. Okay, it's going to help you so that when we are teaching, you grasp everything: market structure, shift, change of character, liquidity void, order blocks. The description is here, is nicely tabulated. Use it, learn it, and then we're going to show you how to identify them, just adding more value to your trading. Aside just doing automation, you've automated the trade. Yes, RoyalQ has automated the trade for you with its indicators, RSI. Remember the RSI, we crypto thinkers, we use the RSI 12, the length 12. We don't use the length 6, we don't use the length 24, we use the length 12. So remember, when you're putting your chart on the Royal Queue, pick the RSI 12. If you want to automate it, last time I talked about it, how to impute the RSI 12 in the Royal Queue automation section in the parameter section page. You do that, you put it there, and then you wait for the RSI to meet the condition. The spot traders, the RSI should be low. The figures are there, which is also on our lecture hall. The futures traders, both long and short, we have the figures that you have to impute there and then automate your trade. Put it on one shot. If you are using the MACD, you know how we use the MACD. We have the MACD indicator, the golden cross. We have taught it. A full video is on our YouTube channel. Everything is here on our YouTube channel. Do well to watch them and apply them to your trade. Start with small capital, see how it works, and when you love it, you can increase your capital gradually. Okay, do things systematically and you have a wonderful trading life. Right, good. So this one too is also there. Liquidity swap, demand zone, supply zone. So everything here works with supply and demand, which we have also talked about that. Everything is on our lecture hall. Just try your best and look through and um, make yourself full with knowledge. Yeah, so for those that wanted the site to also be checking their crypto, we also use the coin ranking. So just go to your Chrome browser, just type coinranking.com. It's just like the coinmarketcap.com that I showed you. You can go there, and then if you want to know more about the asset, just tap on the assets. They'll give you full details about the crypto utility asset, the market cap, the trading volume, the all-time high, all-time low, its Twitter page, its Telegram pages. You join the asset you are trading. Especially if you are trading those assets for long term. You have 5 coins, you just focus on them. Don't just forget about the noise. Okay? As I always tell you, focus, focus on your top 5 coins. If you have small capital, focus on just 5 coins. Put them on your top trader watch list. If you have the big capital, 20 coins is okay. Okay, put them on the watch list. Read about the coins you are trading. It gives you confidence when the coin is going, more down. You don't go and then panic. Okay, spot traders, you don't panic. You know that this asset is good. You are trading Ethereum. What are you scared of? You are trading Ethereum. You have margin calls open. Ethereum goes down. We need that correction. There are a lot of imbalances in the market. We need that correction to happen. And the corrections are healthy. They are good for us to make extra bucks of money again. Because if there is no downtrend, how do we buy? If the market pumps, if the market doesn't pump, how do we get a sell opportunity on the resistance zone? We need the market to go up so that we can sell. We can short the market up there using the RSI and the MACD death cross. We have the death cross for the futures, and then we have the golden cross also for futures longing positions. We've taught all that. You have everything. You have everything. Stop running from one place to the other. You are confusing yourself. Okay? Learn the ones you can learn. Pick the best out of it that you are conversant with and apply it to your trades. Okay? Make your life simple. Make your team members' lives simple. Encourage your team members to watch videos. Let them know the importance. It's very important to watch presentation videos over and over. You can't come to my lecture hall and not have a book and a pen. I always tell you, always buy. If you're a newbie, remember, buy a fresh notebook. Go to the stationery shop. I always tell all of you, buy a fresh notebook, nice one that is very attractive, so that whenever you see it, you would love to learn your notes. Get calculator if you don't want to use your phone. Get it. Get your pen. As you are watching the videos, you pause. You write certain key points in your notes. You write you make sure you write your login details. That's the last thing. Those that have not been writing their login details of their Royal Queue, Don't be doing that. Oh. If you do that and you forget your secret phrase and your Royal Q login details, it will take a very long time to restore your account. Sometimes if you are not fortunate, you might not get the account again. So write your login details, both your Binance and your Royal Q, your secret phrase, your secret questions. Write it, the answers to, write it accordingly so that it can be a backup for your account in case you forget. Your notebooks are there for you to go and reference. These are basic things you should know. Okay, so do well to visit your notebooks. If you've not written it, go and write it. I know some people, you have a lot of things, going up and down business, but that's not an excuse. This is a business you pay attention to, just like your job out there that you pay attention to. You cannot miss your job. You wake up at 5 a.m., you are chasing the bus, you are chasing the train, you want to get to work on time because you know it is time for you to go to work. Likewise, when it comes to your Royal Q business, give it attention. You've paid for it, give it attention, and it would pay you big time. Yes, so subscribe to our YouTube channel, Crypto Thinkers Fibonacci YouTube channel. Do well to subscribe, like and share the videos, put a comment, and probably you might be the lucky one who is going to win our USDT for the top 5 subscribers, and also those who put comments on almost all our videos. So the one that joins the top 5, you are fortunate. And our lecture hall channel, to those who have been dropping the emojis on every post we post there, that means you are learning and you are following. You watch the things on our lecture hall, you do not even put emoji or anything to let us know that you are, following us. You are out of the bonus. So don't count yourself as a bonus. So if you've not been doing that today, change your mind and do that. Have the right mindset. Be a team participant. Don't be a spectator. Don't just come here, come and read things, look at things, get information, and then you don't want to participate. Don't do that. Okay, it is not a healthy thing. All right, yes, you watch a video, you gain knowledge, you go and use it, you don't even support the channels, and you don't share, you don't like, you don't comment. Do well to love the business, work smarter, and do better. You are going to have a successful life. Okay, so thank you so much for being with us. I really appreciate everybody on the call. Okay. Oh, you are not on the general page. You want to speak, you could just type you want to speak, or you lift your hands. Oh dear. Okay, let's see. Okay, so thank you, Madam Esther, for helping with the feedback during the meeting. God richly bless you. Thank you, Sir Smith, for coming on board. Sir Marvel, good to see you all. It's a long time seeing you here. I saw Dr. Newman also pass by. We are really grateful for all of you. I believe you have learned something from our Royal Q Elite class. We'll be having the next class. It will be posted on the Telegram channel so we can all learn from each other and help the Royal Q community to grow and be successful. Okay, please,
Thank
if
you
you don't
so
have any.
much. Thank you so
Oh,
much. Thank you so
thank you.
much. I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Wow, wow, wow. Thank you so much, Sir Smith. I know you've been very busy, but thank you for coming around. Hey, Madam Esther, you have been a
Thank you, coach.
consistent member. In fact, this award, if you don't win this award, hey, I'll go to my award team and talk to them.
Oh, thank you, coach. It's my pleasure always being with you.
That's awesome. I believe you have learned a lot.
A
I'm
lot,
so happy to see you. You
a
are
lot.
consistent. All our meetings, you've been coming. You don't have any excuse why you don't come. You make time. You create time, and I'm grateful for that. Thank you,
Thank you,
Senior
coach.
Smith, for coming around. Also, thank you. Hey, Dr. Newman is back again. Wow, Dr. Newman is from the Global Cartel team, is one of the powerful team in Ghana and beyond. He's doing marvelously with his team, and I'm grateful for passing by our meeting. It's a long time seeing you here, and we are done with today's Royal Q Elite class. You want to say a word or two before we end the section, and then we continue the next class.
Oh, Manida, your boy just came to learn from you. You created me, so
Sorry, please come again.
I mean, you created me in a business.
Oh, really? Wow, 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 wow. I'm so happy seeing you here. I just saw my second phone and I saw that you have posted we are live right now. Join, and that's when I saw you. I was busy posting the link on the other pages to see if the other members would join. But the meeting is being recorded. I'm going to post it on our YouTube channel, so those who did not join would have access to it. Yes. So you have anything
I'm
else
just
to
like,
say before we end?
yeah, I'm just like the prodigal son. So
Ah,
I have to come back. I have to come back home to come and take some one or two. Oh, but
oh,
everyone following Leader Mimi, if you don't even know this, if you know the team Global Cartel, all right, it's coming from here. Like it's just one one branch, right, from crypto thinkers. Like you get the whole Global
wow.
Cartel is coming from here, and then she has been the reason. She will advise us. She's my upline, so talk to me, pictures. In fact, she did a lot. And just like the way, there be some people who attend a meeting and be like, the participants here are small. You might not know how big her team is in Ghana. In fact, she has one of the biggest team, and she's just low key, maybe, right? Literally, almost all this team, the Global Cartel, like most of we're all under her, right? And it's amazing. It's amazing. She has not stopped. Okay, she keeps going, and then we keep learning from you. Like you are creating beasts in the crypto space. I remember when I came into this trading space, I knew nothing about trading. Then I'll call her, and she will tell me, Newman, you can learn this thing, right? I know it will take time. Then she'll teach me some one or two things. Oh, she will talk to me like 2 hours on the phone, right? Then I learn from that. I go continue or attend meeting. If I attend meeting and I'm confused, I'll just call her. Leader Mimi, this trading thing is difficult. To, are you sure this thing is my thing? And she'll tell me, oh, this and that. I should learn this. But today, I can proudly say, because of her, right, I'm doing well. Now I literally know more about trading, even though I'm still learning from her. Not up to her level, but at least the level that I can learn up to. Alright, I trade, I make normal profits. I'm a V4. In fact, if not for my upline here, right? So everyone following her, take her like your mother, just like I've taken her, right? And her grace will descend upon you very soon. You see that you even come and you will be who she's building. She built one, right? And then he was not there. And I'm not the first. She has built one Samuel before, right, to V3. And then what happens? He's not there. And she has built another, meaning this is not the first, this is not the second, and this is not going, you are not going to be the last. Right? She keeps doing. When she builds you, you'll be like, you'll be capable, you'll be able to, do you understand? Then she keeps building and building more new people, right, in the trading space, like to have more people to understand more about this trading thing. Thank you very much, my upline. I really appreciate you, and I love you so
wow,
much.
thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wow, wow, wow. That's a whole pack of story joined together. My goodness. Thank you so much, Dr. Newman. One of the powerful teams in Ghana. See, they trade like crazy. If you want to learn about more things, you join their section. They have powerful section. They are having classes almost every day. You can join their section also. And it's powerful seeing you here. I know you are very busy, but you've created time because you have a powerful business mindset and you've created time to come around. And I really appreciate you. Thank you for not giving up. Since 2021, we've been here. through the best season. We've been here and we are still here, even going to enjoy the bull run. And it's going to be massive. We are going to take Royal Q everywhere, even to Mars. We are taking Royal Q there. So we are going to touch lives. We are going to win more people out from poverty and bring Royal Q to them. We are going to heal the world and make it a better place. When somebody gives you Royal Q, the person has given you fortune. See, fortune, the person might not give you physical money, but just Royal Q introduction to you, teaching you how to trade in the crypto market, teaching you more than what the Royal Q even has given you. That person will make you a great person. Touch lives with the information you have gotten. God bless you, everybody, for coming online. I really appreciate you. For me, everybody knows that if even one person comes to my meeting, I start the meeting, because those that want to make time and create time to come, they will come. And the meeting will still go on. We'll record it and put it on the YouTube channel. Those that will watch it and learn from it, learn and build. Learn and build. Be a builder, okay? Be a participant, not a spectator. Let the Royal Q pass like through you, okay? So that you can be able to ignite and touch many lives. That is why we are here. We want to make our lives better and touch the lives of others that want to have a better life. So let's use Royal Q. It's a powerful tool that the universe has gifted to the world. And you are lucky to hear of Royal Q. Somebody just heard of Royal Q today, and the person is just snapping the finger. Oh my goodness, why am I hearing Royal Q today? And I did not hear about Royal Q 4 years ago, because they were following a lot of Ponzi scheme platforms and they didn't even hear about Royal Q. They just saw the post on the social media, and they were like, wow, what kind of system is that? And then for the reason why the person is joining is your capital, your trading capital is not inside Royal Q. The person was like, wow, all the businesses I have joined, I have to dump my capital there, and then they will give me some restrictions on withdrawal. You can only withdraw on Saturday, and so much restrictions. You'll be there, maintenance, and then they are gone. But here, the money, your capital is on your exchange account, which you have access to. Royal Q doesn't have access to your capital, and Royal Q also doesn't have access to your profit. Your profit is added automatically into your USDT or your USDC or your BTC pair or your Ethereum pair you're trading. Everything is on your Binance. Royal Q is just a powerful tool with the API helping you to trade in a more relaxed and simple way. Royal Q has simplified trading. That's it, because we've been in the Forex market, we trade manually. And those who are Forex and stock traders, I believe you can relate. You know how stressful it is to trade manually. Yes, so Royal Q has come to do all that job for us. So if you are here, think, and you're an old member, renew yourself again after watching this video. Go renew your account, because Royal Q is going to delete all accounts that are 2 years plus. Royal Q is going to delete it. So if you have team under you and you've left your account dormant, you're going to miss that account. It will be deleted out from the system. It will say account does not exist. Once you get that kind of notification in front of you, know that your account is gone and it's gone forever. So if you know you're going to do the Royal Q, you are an old member watching me on the YouTube channel. If you know you had teams and you've left your account dormant, go and take your account, renew it, because you will be amazed the kind of bonuses you have missed. And don't let that bonus go away again. It's going to help you to create wealth, and even your team members that are waiting for you, they are also going to get elated and more, knowledgeable in the space and touch many lives. Okay, this is the best business in the world. Let no one deceive you with any Ponzi scheme. Put $50, make $100, 2 hours. Who does that? This is pure Ponzi. Why are you people following those things? This is pure Ponzi. Why follow it? So focus on the Royal Q system. Your capital is not there. Focus there. Learn the business first, and then you will know how to navigate to earn. That is how we do it. Learn first, then you will know how to earn. Okay, so thank you everybody. We have 1 hour 30 minutes meeting. Thank you so much for coming around. And it's me, Mimi, and I'm Tinker from the Royal Q Team, Crypto Thinkers Team, Ghana and beyond. We are going all over the world to touch the world. So thank you everybody, and see you in our next technical section. Bye.
Hey, coach, thank you. God bless you, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.